Hello everybody, and welcome to Portfolio Development. I'm your instructor, James Gonzalez. This class is designed for students who are interested in creating a professional quality portfolio to showcase their work. If you look at the syllabus, it's actually a combination of 4 classes: GDS 200 Graphic Design, MMST 200 Graphic Design Portfolio Development, as well as Portfolio Development for Authoring Specialty and Portfolio Development for Entertainment. Let me take this opportunity to kind of orientate you to our course website and the course itself. You'll start off from the modules area, which is default. Now I'm adapting the course shell here from Derek Wilson, who used to teach this course. So if you see any references to his contact information, let me know. Also, I'm updating quite a bit of it, so if you notice that there are any broken links or missing content, let me know so I can fix those. Probably the first couple of weeks you'll notice more than as we progress through the course. So we start here in the welcome section with this welcome video, information about your instructor. There's an overview of the course as well as support material for our Canvas software. There's a very good tutorial here for Canvas with an overview if you've never used this Canvas system before. Frequently asked questions and information about Canvas and mobile devices. I definitely encourage you to use Canvas with your mobile device. There's also information about your status. Are you ready for online learning? So there's a variety of resources here that I think you'll find very valuable, including some interactive tutorials and tools. There's also some information about, is your computer ready for online learning? So you can access those resources there. And then there's some software resources and links, and there's some great links to some student support services, including Canvas Help, Accessibility, Library, Online Center for Writing. So the first week we're requiring that you complete everything in the Module 0 orientation unit. Go ahead and look through the syllabus, which is linked over here on the left. There's a quiz on the syllabus, so study that. There's some information about contacting me, office hours and lab hours, and so on. The most important thing to do the first week is to contact me with times that you're available for our weekly lab sessions. So you'll notice that each week there'll be one or more lab discussion sessions. They're kind of combined. The idea here is that I need to get 2 or 3 times when you're available so I can find a few times during the week when we can meet live in Zoom. So this very first session will be learning how to use the Zoom tool. And they'll also attach to that as a discussion. If you're unable to meet one of the live sessions, then you'll need to do the discussion credit right here. So the lab, all of these lab sessions will be the same. There'll be a lab schedule, and what we need to do is determine, given these base times when I'm available, what times are you available so we can find a time where we can meet all together. So go ahead and check this first one out and email me back when during these times you're available. And then once we determine what that is, I'll post those sessions here. We can also meet during office hours, which are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1 p.m. or Wednesdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The orientation unit also includes how to access your Canvas profile and set your notifications up. I'll be sending you announcements every week, usually Monday morning at 9 a.m. So you want to make sure that you're going to get those notifications. So complete point 4, exercise point 4. Also, there's a constructive critiques lesson. We'll spend a lot of time critiquing everyone's portfolio. That's one of the reasons to take a class in portfolio, is you're going to get lots of feedback from your fellow students. Module 1 fits the pattern of the 4 other modules, so let me go over it in a little bit more detail. We start off with an introduction lesson, in this case web hosting and web templates. We have a lesson on creating a successful portfolio, and then there's a quiz. Usually there's a quiz in each module. Then there's another assignment, preliminary portfolio objective. And then notice that here's our lab discussion session. In this module we have 1, in others there may be more. Here notice that it's divided into lab session and discussion. Again, if you can make the live session, this is what we'll be covering. There's a description of the topics, there's instructions on what we'll be doing. The lab schedule will be posted here once I determine from your feedback what are the best days and times to meet. And then if you're not able to meet during those times, here's the discussion credit, what you'll need to do to make up the missed session. And then usually there's demonstration videos for each of our assignments or activities. In this case, it's the lab demonstrating different web hosts and templates. And then usually completing out the module will be a peer review. Again, a big part of the class is reviewing everyone's work and giving constructive feedback, and then the module concludes with a summary. So the module topics include web hosting and web templates, portfolio content such as bitmap images, layout comps, content reports, portfolio galleries, getting your content organized in a way that's very easy to be seen in a gallery, bios and resumes and contracts, and Module 5 is on portfolio presentation with a heavy emphasis on the user interface and user experience design of your portfolio. The thing I wanted to cover is the menu over on the left. If we go in here and have a look at in student view, it will look like this. This is what you will see. Announcements will be delivered once a week, usually on Monday. There's a section for checking up on your quizzes to see if you've missed any and what your scores are. Obviously the syllabus, there'll be a quiz on the syllabus the first week, so you want to review this thoroughly. The assignments page will list all of your assignments organized by type. Discussions page, again, lists all of the various lab sessions and discussions. The people link over on the left is what you'll use to email everybody. And then there is a grades column where you can check out your current grades. So that'll do it for now. I want to again welcome you to this course on portfolio development. I'm really looking forward to getting started on helping you create a professional quality portfolio. Again, don't forget to email me the times and days that you're available for our live sessions each week.